Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher. Let's get you exam ready. Today, we're revising Macbeth by William Shakespeare with my analysis of the key quotes, "Stay you imperfect speakers, tell me more." Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel, like guides to every single act and character to help you understand the play like an expert. Okay, let's analyse this key quote, "Stay you imperfect speakers, tell me more." So here's Macbeth, and this is what he says. "Stay you imperfect speakers, tell me more." The first thing we need to do is think about where this appears in the play and why it's a key moment. This is said in Act 1, Scene 3 to the witches after they've told Macbeth his destiny, that he will become Thane of Cawdor and then king. The witches share their prophecies and then leave, but before they do, Macbeth is desperate to hear more. Now we need to think about some analytical things that we can attach to this quote to show our expert understanding. Macbeth is using commanding language here. So he's using imperatives, stay, you imperfect speakers, tell me more. And he's also speaking in iambic pentameter. Now, the use of commanding language by him shows that Macbeth wants the witches to serve him. He's embracing the messages they've shared with him and he wants them to serve him. What else can we say about this to show our understanding? The use of the adjective imperfect highlights how Macbeth is a flawed character, a tragic hero. Now, he knows the witches are evil and they may have an ulterior motive, but he chooses to trust in them anyhow because of his ambitions. Now, we can also take this further by thinking about the context of the play and the Jacobean audience and their response to this. Now, Jacobeans believed that witches existed and King James I was responsible for those accused of witchcraft being put to death. Now, Shakespeare's play is about the consequences of engaging in witchcraft, which would have pleased King James I, for whom the play was personally written. We can also take this further by comparing Macbeth's response to the witches to Banquo's. And this is what Banquo says. "Speak then to me who neither beg your favours nor fear your hate." So this is a very contrasting thing that Banquo says. Banquo has a contrasting response to the witches. Whilst curious, Banquo does not want them to serve him and spurns their favours, as well as associating them with hatred and therefore evil. Now, this is a great quote to know because if you're writing about power and Macbeth's thirst for it, if you're writing about evil, the witches, Macbeth himself, ambitions, the supernatural or destiny, this is a moment that you can explore in your writing. If you want to take it further now, just click the link in the description and you can get a completely free copy of this knowledge organiser where you can write about the context of the quotation. You can include your analysis, the link to context and the link to the wider text in order to help you to revise further. Check out the other videos on my channel. I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask something you'd like to see me cover in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and keep revising.